Hey guys, welcome to part 2 of my Wreck This Journal series. To apologise for my last video, the batteries on my camera did die towards the end, so I didn't get as much footage as I wanted, and I only got to do the beginning page. Now I've got all new batteries, so hopefully we're ready to go. Just gonna jump straight in today and hopefully do a couple of pages. The first page I'm going to do is poke holes in this page using a pencil. Let's go.
Hey baby, say maybe I can take you out tonight. What do you say? You say you wanna go on a date, a date. Please don't say no, lady. Oh, baby, I can't let you walk away. Just give me a yes, a yes, a yes. She said, then what happens next? Next, to say, how about you and me? Make two complete. Go hand in hand, close to each other. Girl, I wanna make my move. There's something about you, I can't explain it. I do, girl, I'm all over you, love shot, I can't help it, can't shelf it, girl, you're such a PYT, and I wanna touch